Yeah.
Get out! Get out! Why? Please! Ooh, we are playing sleepy. Okay, no, forget all the spooky stuff. I really like this game. In my opinion, it's Asian GTA. It reminds me of an old game, True Crime, that I used to play, and I really like it. I like the main game, and I sort of got into the Nightmare on Northpoint. So we're gonna play that. We're gonna start a new game.
Yeah, because I've actually never seen any. I didn't even know this was a thing. And at first he described it as like a zombie type thing, and then it turned out it was ghosts. And it was like...
It's the return of ghosts from hell. They're well, no, they possess. I think they possess people. They're zombie-like. They're very zombie-like, but they float. It's them. Those things. Those. That.
Ghostly zombies.
There you go.
But their hatred, their bitterness planning their revenge.
I love his accent. It is very interesting and provides me with a great understanding of the culture.
And where exactly he is from.
That was the worst movie of all time.
Oh, he must have gone.
What
He must have gone to see Justice League.
I was thinking Last Airbender.
Oh, because they're in Hong Kong? Alright, good job.
Wow, I didn't even realize that.
Nice one.
I like how he
It's
looks
cool.
like a Ninja Turtle.
Hey, we
at his
found
eyes.
Raphael. You really let yourself go, buddy. Jesus Christ.
What the hell?
Hey, man, watch your mouth.
Give
me back my girlfriend! Hey, stop!
Krillin, stop him!
It's... I was punched in the gut. I was thrown through a house.
I heard you were fast.
I just love, like, the way they talk in this game. It doesn't work at all, and that's why it works.
It's one of those things that's like so cringy that it's amazing.
Can we just talk about the fact that he's literally fire? That's how good this game is. One of your characters is literally fire.
You would think that he would be able to just pass through the gates and stuff.
No, because then we wouldn't have a game. Then we wouldn't... Okay, I'm not supposed to be able to catch up with him, but I'm already caught up with him. Yes, I caught up with you. I'm racing you at this point. Ikuze!
Parkour.
Parker.
Parkour.
Robert Parr.
I've had decades to plan. Decades!
Decades!
Wait, get me out of this thing!
Wait, how did you get... What? How did you get there? Did you just walk to where you thought he would end up?
And how did he get there before
Why is he
me?
doing that?
I think
That's really close to something that's a really bad gesture, and I had to learn that the hard way.
What happened when you learned it?
I was at dance rehearsal at my church. I'm not gonna say what that means. Just go ahead and look it up. They do it in one of the Jump Street movies. It's
22.
It's 22, yeah.
Sure, it's convenient that these ghosts are just standing there and watching
No,
us
they're
attack
hopping.
their friends.
It's just because I'm hitting so fast. I can't really hurt them because I don't have the Chinese magic. That's not racist. It's actually, they literally call it Chinese magic.
I was about to say, wow.
Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa! That's what's scary is that we might get demonetized if we ever monetize this video.
I highly doubt that. With Dashi, you got so much in this. Ooh, double kick.
Ooh, ow.
So like the
Ooh.
only way to beat them is if you get the Chinese magic? Because it's like...
Well, no, these guys, there's a way
Why are
that
they
you can
lasting
beat
so
them.
long?
I think I'm supposed to grapple them. Take him back to the underworld with the rest of them. That's really bad. Oh, there it is. I think I was supposed to fill up my face meter. There was something really funny about the sound it made. Just like, imagine punching a zombie and just hearing... Not that sound. Jarvis, where I made that sound, just, yeah, put in the punch noise. Thanks, Jarvis. We asked Jarvis for a lot.
You asked Jarvis for a lot.
Well, that's because you and Jarvis have a mental connection, so you don't have to ask him.
Yeah. He's my best friend.
Freaking telepaths. I can't stand you Martian fools. Oh man, I just gave away your entire deal, didn't I? Well, the truth is out. He's a Martian.
And you're a racist. Oh.
Does it really even matter if you're a racist if they're Martians?
Yes, it matters.
What do you mean? I'm offended by his lips. Am I allowed to be offended by his lips? Smack the fire out of him. Or into him, I guess. How do I get you down? Oh, there's another one.
That guy has just been chilling there this whole time.
He's just like, you forgot about me. Why didn't you jump back into the fight then?
That was good.
Jarvis.
That block you and then be like, oh, he still hasn't texted me yet. Like, what?
It's just like, actually, I texted you 10
You were
times.
beating up that lady.
Ow.
Oh, so that's what finally takes him down. Huh?
You have to do takedowns to take them down. Who knew? What? 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 Yes, follow the footprints in a circle.
Smiley cat.
Oh my god.
He's, I'm telling you, it's Chinese GTA.
You don't deserve to
Park nothing, because I'm just running.
I'm not part of a triad.
Seriously, like, I can easily catch up to him. If I just don't bump into anybody, I'm good. And it's not really like they put people for me to bump into. It's just like if I just, if I just continue to, okay, well. Whoa, ow.
This game kind of reminds me of Sonic Unleashed, and it's like, I don't know how I feel about that.
Why does it remind you of that?
Just the fact that you have to run in a freaking straight line, basically, and to chase somebody, and then they just put these things in front of you for you to fight.
Yeah, I guess that is very Sonic Unleashed. The Werehog section.
Yeah.
Well, that's just this part of the game. Because it has to basically use this to teach you the mechanics.
It's different from the other stuff.
Yeah, the rest of the stuff is just like, it's like how the rest of how the regular game works, where you can just choose what to go to, because there will be different things in different parts of the city. You just have to like choose. Oh, okay. When they're stunned, you grapple them. It probably said that on the screen. Wow, that's 2 times in this play session that I've not read. That's the true horror. We're not good at making scary episodes. Sorry, it takes a lot to scare either of us.
It really does.
I'm so weary of life that I'm unconcerned by most things that would scare the average bear.
Smiley something. He was giving them instructions.
Smiley cat. Jesus
The other
Christ.
girl would
Cookie cat. It's a pet for your tummy. Cookie cat. He's broken. Oh, Miss. Jarvis, you know what to do. She posted a story on Instagram. Good for her.
You know, there's this one teacher that let's call her Trixie. She moved from the high school like years ago, and she was like, I'm gonna be out of, she moved and it's like she was saying, I'm gonna be on this side of the world, but you guys can have me on Instagram, just text me whenever. And like, she'd never be on, and when I text her like a couple months after she left, I have yet to hear anything.
Yeah, it's like, what the heck? It's like, you told us to text you, and this is what you do? You're acting like one of the girls that I have to deal with here. That makes me not want to talk to you. I don't care if you are a teacher.
let's go into that. Like, why do people like if you don't want to talk to somebody, just you don't even gotta say don't talk to me. Just don't make it seem like you want to talk to them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like you don't have to be like don't talk to me. You don't even have to ignore them. Just like if they harass you after you've given the indication that you don't want anything to do with that conversation, then you ignore them. Don't give the indication that you would like to speak or that you would like to create something there and then not talk. Because you've created that situation for yourself. Like there's this meme on Instagram that's like, I guess it's only for girls to understand, where it's like when you flirted with him just for fun because you were bored and now he's actually caught feelings.
Yeah, I saw that, and it's just like, why even do that?
It's like, what's wrong with you? Why are you this?
For the females watching this video, just do me a favor, comment down below. If you do it, why? And if you don't do it,
why do you, can you explain to the females that do respond why they shouldn't? Oh wow, look at that, everybody.
oh my god. What? Oh, I want to try.
I guess that was our scare for the game. That was it.
Okay.
What the heck am I looking at?
So is this like post-apocalyptic or?
No, this is the regular city. It's just because of the day that it is. Oh wow, no, everybody is after you. I never even noticed because I just kept running.
Wait, really? I could just fight?
Yeah. Good job. Now you just sent him to hell. Good job.
You shouldn't have been
standing in the direction where you were going. Yeah, you're right.
And dancing in the dark.
It's been weeks. It's been weeks.
It's been a week.
It's been a week and a half.
By
You have
this,
to throw somebody in the dumpster to be able to get on that dumpster.
mm,
Did you just forget how this game works?
I played this game like twice in the past year, and before that, I hardly played.
You owned the game.
Like, you don't have any games that you have but hardly play.
You mean like Destiny, FIFA, Watch Dogs 2?
My point exactly.
No, I play all of those games frequently. I can tell you.
Oh no!
I can tell you the entirety of the plot of Watch Dogs 2 right now. You ready?
I didn't even finish the game because I was kind of like, the fighting mechanics was pretty decent, but other than that, it was kind of just there.
Yeah, there's two missions that stand out to me significantly about this game in the regular campaign, and it's, oh man, it's Vincent. I don't remember who that is. There's the one where you do the karaoke for the first time, and the mission all the way at the end of the game, where they knock you out and they put you in a building and you have to escape the building. Those are the only two significant missions that I remember. I still like the game though. When I'm not doing things that are required of me, I love it. I like just putting on a suit and going out and punching people. It makes me feel like a vigilante.
A Durdo. What the hell is wrong with him?
We should play Saints Row at some point.
There's something out there.
Was it you that I was playing with when I put on that Daredevil outfit and I went on top of a building?
Ooh, it's a... Yeah.
It's a Jiangxi.
Oh my god.
Even the ghosts.
Wow.
Even the ghosts. I have better things to do than waste my time killing. Oh.
Oh shoot.
Not Jiangxi. Yao Hui. Yao Guai? Uruguay.
Here.
Okay. Look at this. Look at this country. You are.
What do I do?
dead.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Just wait for him to finish. You can't punch him. You have to counter him. You can't fight him without the Chinese magic. So just keep dodging. If he kills you, he kills you. Jesus.
Hey, kid! What are you doing? Get out of there! You can't kill him, wait! Get out! Get out!
That's what I'm saying.
So enthusiastic.
Yeah.
Get out! Get out! Why? Please! Wait! Get out of
It's like, buddy, are you okay? I need friends that are like on that
I was
level.
about to say, I need friends with that energy.
Look at his stomach. I'm sorry. I'm not.
He's the guy from Spider-Man. He's Peter's friend, Ned.
Yeah.
Like, you're Peter and he's Ned. I need friends. I need friends with that kind of energy when they see me talking to a girl that they know I shouldn't. Ken! No! Get out! She's got the clap!
You know what's going on?
Oh man, it's funny because I got that with one person. Well, no, not I did not get clapped. I mean, I had friends with that same level of energy that was like telling me no when I dated this one person.
And what did you do?
I dated that one person, but eventually I broke up with her. For the record, for the ladies out there, I am clean. I am extremely clean.
Yeah, because he's also a West Virginia. We just watch our other. It'll be here.
Yeah. You're a West Virginian too.
Yes. Well,
Oh crap.
I'm a Georgian as well.
Oh crap. I'm a Philadelphian.
And a New York. I'm a Yokian from Jimmy Neutron. Weekdays.
Oh,
I apologize.
I forgot.
You're gonna
You're on the
understand what I
right
mean.
side of
You're gonna
the-
understand what I mean by that in a sec, but I apologize. Grrr. You gotta stun him first.
My leg.
You mean your neck?
Yeah.
I can't feel my neck when I'm with you.
said
Stop biting me. Grapple him.
Ooh.
I just love the way he does that.
It's just.
Speak to the apothecary.
Some magic? I got 2 for 1 sale today.
I just love everyone's interactions in this game. Just,
Want some
you need some magic?
Oh, I could just pick that up at the corner store, right?
Honestly, well, he tells you the ingredients to get and then he puts together.
Sugar, spice, and everything nice.
He said magic, not girls.
Be careful, Way.
I don't know who told y'all girls you were made anything involving sugar, but like, if you're a female, you're my age, and you were brought up anywhere around the place that I was brought up. Oh snap! It's
Isn't it a
Vincent.
cat food?
You were saying?
Thing. If you're my age, you're a female, and you grew up anywhere near the area where I grew up, I promise you, sugar is not at all in your formula. Like, y'all may get Splenda or like stevia in there.
I was just about to say stevia or agave.
Yeah, like, ain't no sugar, ain't no honey in there. I
Y'all
wouldn't
some
even, not even brown sugar.
So now everyone calls Wu Smiley Cat.
Oh yeah.
I wasn't listening to that at all. I heard Big Scar Woo, and that was it.
I heard, and now everyone calls him Smiley Cat. That is very funny.
What is that blowing up? This isn't even the DLC with the bombs in it.
The DLC just for bombs to appear.
No, it's... Yes. No, yes. Only my cousins and other Trinidadians will get that joke, but mostly my cousins.
Yes.
Not yes. No, yes.
Yes.
Josiah, you hungry? No, yes. Why would you run in there? Just go... Follow the path. There you go.
I'm trying my hardest.
Why? He was minding his own business.
He looked scary.
He,
His eyes were glowing and made me uncomfortable.
and
So.
that was how racial... That was just... That is racial profiling. That is it in a nutshell.
What
Here
race
on-
have glowy eyes?
No, I'm saying here on Loud on Set, we like to make political contrasts and comparisons.
Ooh.
Find a way to the ghost pepper. Good morning, gamers. Let's get this bread.
You're in my way.
Steal her peppers. Oh no! Just don't fight him.
Yeah, I was about to just hit him a few times and run.
Let's just not waste time. Let's get this ancient Chinese magic. So
Crud.
Let's get this ancient Chinese magic so you can get your rematch and then we can done.
Let us know down below if you want us to continue with the game, even though it's like the end of October.
If we continue with this game, it's not gonna be this DLC.
Really? Is that bad?
It's just honestly the fight that you're gonna do by the time we get to the end of this is the most interesting part of the DLC. That's kind of it.
You wanna fight Shang-Chi? Okay.
Wow, he already knew.
Kids, punks keep tagging my storefront. Teach them a lesson, and the egg is yours.
What are the freaking? All right. Not them.
Oh, it's not the. Oh.
Just like, you see those kids sitting there minding their own business? They've been tagging my storefront. Beat them up. It's like, that was just a random woman and all you did was kick her. She ran away in fear. You're the villain here.
Well, this was really.
Who keeps blowing things up?
Here's your egg. Make sure your brewmaster
Here's-
knows what he's doing. It can be dangerous.
Just like, you see those guys over there? Kick them in the face and I'll give you an egg. How's that sound? Okay.
Ooh, motorcycle.
Damn
Oh,
it, Vincent.
man.
You gotta stop appearing like that.
Sorry, Way.
You scared the out of me.
I said I
Language.
was sorry. It's hard being dead,
Oh, man.
People didn't
Like,
me
I
much
really
when I was
shouldn't
alive.
think this, but
But
Santa's
this
kind of
is
cute.
so much worse. Nobody lighting candles for me. Nobody making offerings. I never used to take that seriously.
For the record, I don't mean actual Santa. It's just,
Miss Santa.
All right.
yeah,
I'm sorry,
Miss
okay?
Claus. There we
Yeah,
go.
It's not your fault. Hell, you're the first live person I've talked to who didn't run away screaming.
Yeah, well, I'm in a car. Nowhere for me to go.
You're
no,
not,
you're
actually.
That's right. You were always a smart one, Way. I'm gonna use that one from now on. Cars. Places people got nowhere to run. That's great, man.
That's not
They'll just
funny.
get
and
out
I'm
the
s-
car.
and I'm still not in this
Great.
car.
Great.
Oh my god. This takes
No,
some
it's-
getting used to.
No, it's great. Great. Oh, yeah, no, the driving mechanics in this game suck. I hate them.
And it's like me.
Whoa, it's the 18K. They're alive. Finally, people you can fight who I slick want to do this fight.
Wow. So you own the game.
I'm just upset that I don't have all my moves from the main game, because I have just about all of the... Yeah, no, I have all of the moves. And, like, some of them are really fun. Like Dim Mock. It's like, basically you just block them and you hit them with a flurry, like you... The audience cannot see that, but just imagine Bruce Lee, it's something he would do, and you do that. Alright, well, he's focused on the fight, so I guess, hi, my name's Kenneth. At the age of 5, I decided I was going to be a carpenter. I began building carpets because when I said that, I actually misspelled carpenter, so it became carpenter. But the problem with that is that when people hear that you're a carpenter, they laugh because it sounds like something completely different than what it is. And frankly, I don't blame them, because building carpet, one, you can never find the right
Just like
tiles
this is
to-
just what he's thinking in his head as all this is going on.
Oh yeah, Wei Shen. He's just imagining this story. You ever looked at someone and think, what is going on inside their head? Hi, my name is Wei Shen, and I'm an alcoholic.
Highway.
Oh man, that's a good idea. Thanks, Satan. Wreck-It Ralph reference.
Okay, how do I beat them?
You have to grapple them when they are stunned. So punch them a couple of times. I said when they are stunned.
Oh, they about to be stunned, alright. Yeah, get over there. Lay down. Get up. Yeah. Row house.
Okay, now grapple him. There you go. Now just do it for the rest of them too. There you go.
Roadhouse.
I am Bruce Faulkner. I make the good music. I go.
You were saying carpenter?
Oh right. Yeah, I gave up on making carpets, so I just started eating them. I couldn't sell them to anybody because, like I said,
we're just gonna pass over how wrong that's.
Oh no, that's why I avoided using the word munching. Also, that and like no matter what context you use it in, the word munch just sounds weird in reference to eating something.
Munch, munch, munch. Like,
just like that's a joke for later. We should make that might be a quiet on set joke. You want a chocolate bar? You got a chocolate bar or anything? You're dead. You can't eat anything. You can't eat anything. You're dead. Stop following me. You're a ghost. Unruly.
what exactly triggers a quiet on set?
When I get bored and I say I need to talk to the audience one-on-one and give them something that will help them get to. You know what? Guys, if you feel anything like I do, then at some point tonight, you'll probably need a lullaby. And even though I know I won't be able to get one.
Sorry, this really makes me uncomfortable.
Oh yeah, I don't like his face.
It's like, oh my god, what is? Wow.
Anyway, yeah, if you guys feel anything like I do, you'll probably need a lullaby. Why don't you take the bike? They're a lot easier to maneuver.
You can
watch him. Why did he punch so slow? And I love how they show that they were all dead originally by having blood on them. Wow, okay. You did that in the most messed up way possible.
I like how I put on a helmet and he still has his helmet. But I never saw a second helmet on his back.
Yeah, you just pull it out of your back pocket. Everyone knows that Capsule Corp exists in this game, but it's early Capsule Corp, so they could only put small things in the capsule, like helmets. And that's canon. Anyway, yeah, as I was saying, so you guys, if you feel anything like I do, you're probably going to need a lullaby tonight. And because I know no one will sing me one, let me be the one to sing for you guys. Sing you guys to sleep. Lullaby and good night. Close your eyes, shut your mouth, dream a dream and get us out. Dream, 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 dream.
I got it. You sure to work?
How could you even ask that? Hawthorne is the best in the business.
Yeah. I'll kill worse things than you.
Are you asleep yet? No? Okay. Take your time, but be
Dang. Just chatting.
You weren't saying anything.
You're screaming though.
I took like a. Somebody, Jarvis, count how many seconds I paused in between then where he could have said something. Please.
I'm in Ultra Instinct mode right now.
Yeah, and you know what? Goku still screamed in Ultra Instinct, so you could. Jesus! Okay, alright. Boom. Boom. Boom! The thing go. The thing go.
Oh man, watch that actually become a thing. I'm gonna cry. It probably was a thing, honestly.
Jesus! Oh yeah, oh Jesus, oh man. I feel bad for him, just a little bit. Jesus. 火事だぜコンコンコンコン気を抜きジャンジャンピャンピャン風格のワトン意味はないさたいて買うだけ
Yes.
Stop trying. There. Jesus.
Alright, I beat
you
him up. I think I need a fight time story.
Alright, go buy a book. I don't know.
You don't want to share a fight time
There's
story?
one guy left. What story would I got dumped.
And that's how it felt like.
The end. And on that note, happy Halloween, everybody.
I don't even appreciate why that shit.
Oh man. Oh.
Shaking my dome.
I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of